We develop, produce and distribute tooling machines for chipless metal forming. Leifeld is one of the world's leading providers for the forming technology of spinning, flow forming, shear forming, profiling and necking in. The project took about 12 months. Yesterday, we successfully completed the pre-acceptance test of the machine here in Ahlen. This is a very important milestone for our team and our customer. This is our Leifeld SC325 S2S. This machine is specially designed for aerospace and energy industries as well as for industrial applications. If the working angle changes, the support must be adjusted. The changeover time for the support adjustment is about 3 to 4 hours. An advantage of this machine type is the construction. This machine has a multi-part machine bed so that no special foundation with pit is required. This machine is designed for hot forming. All relevant components have heat protection. The working temperature reaches up to 1000 degrees C. The tailstock has an integrated water cooling for cooling the tool during the forming. We installed a separate screen in front of the machine to monitor the forces and to show the measurement data. The pressure control can compensate minor material variations in partial areas. This means the compensation of material thickness differences. Due to using two supports, the delivered pressure completely reaches the material and is very precise. So the advantages are better tolerances and faster cycle times thanks to the use of two rollers. We develop the machines in our own R&D department and have the possibility to simulate processes in advance. Thanks to the finding of the simulation, our customer can save time and money for the further proceedings of the project. A lot of expertise and many years of experience have gone into this.
Hand in hand with our worldwide locations, we offer a comprehensive service. Commissioning on site, user training for our customer, machine maintenance and inspections, procurement of spare parts. For old machines, we offer the overhaul of individual components or the entire machine. Customer satisfaction is extremely important for us. Together, we create solutions that offer our customers productivity, security and comfort. We will be there when our customers need us.